This industrial siren from Saladulce delivers an extremely strong 120 decibel warning tone that cuts through noisy factory and warehouse environments with ease. Its weather-resistant housing and IP55 protection rating make it a dependable choice for outdoor mounting on building exteriors, construction sites, and loading areas. The integrated strobe uses multiple bright lamp beads that draw relatively little power while still producing a highly visible flashing pattern for emergency signaling. Because it activates as soon as power is applied, it works very well when paired with existing security systems, door sensors, or emergency shutoff circuits. The rugged build and simple wired design mean there are no fragile moving parts or batteries to maintain, which is ideal for long-term industrial use. Its combination of loud sound, vivid light, and straightforward installation makes it suitable for offices, schools, and residential properties that need a clear intrusion or emergency alert.